Social media. In today's digital age, social media has become such an integral part of our lives, from connecting with friends and family to discovering new trends. It has transformed the way we interact and engage with the world. Social media is not just a means of entertainment, but it is also a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience. With over 4.75 billion social media users worldwide, organizations are actively seeking skilled professionals who can harness the power of these platforms. I'm Sidney Pereira, the Program Coordinator for the Social Media Marketing Graduate Certificate Program here at Conestoga College. Whether you're a recent graduate, an aspiring marketer, or a working professional looking to upskill, this program is designed to equip you with the skills needed to excel in this fast-paced, ever-evolving world of social media marketing. Our program spans 1 year and covers the essential elements of social media marketing for businesses, from strategy development to content creation, community management, analytics, and managing multiple social channels. You'll gain a holistic understanding of the field. Our experienced instructors will guide you through real-world scenarios and industry best practices. The curriculum is designed to provide a solid foundation of essential knowledge for social media in business, and then take it further. We strongly believe in experiential learning, and that's why our program emphasizes hands-on experience. You'll have the opportunity to actively create captivating social media campaigns and develop strategies that foster engagement and drive growth. These practical experiences are designed to enhance your skills and give you that distinct advantage in the competitive job market. And an additional area that sets our program apart is the international focus. We bring together a great mix of Canadian and international students, creating this rich and diverse learning environment. You'll have the opportunity to collaborate and network with individuals from different cultures and backgrounds, providing you with a truly global perspective. Are you ready to take that first step towards a career in social media marketing? Visit our website for more information. Don't miss out on this opportunity to become a social media marketing expert. I look forward to welcoming you to our social media graduate certificate program.